Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Rev Call Recorder and granting microphone access. This lets the app capture call audio. Once done, sign in or create an account so your recordings sync to Rev. Make sure your phone number is verified if the app asks. Next, open Rev and tap Record. Choose the My Phone option for outgoing calls. This sets up the three-way call bridge. These steps put the recording mechanism in place quickly, so you can start recording without additional setup. Now you record. Tap Record, then start call to dial Rev's recording line first because the service needs to join the session. After the recording line connects, call your contact and then tap Merge to create a three-way call. This joining is essential. It captures both sides. While connected, check the recording indicator and speak clearly. Background noise reduces quality. When finished, end the call. Rev finalizes the file and uploads it to your account for transcription or download, which saves you manual. Finish by locating your recording in the Rev app. Tap it to play back, share, or order a transcript. If the file doesn't upload, make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is enabled and background app refresh is allowed because uploads happen in background. For poor audio quality, try speakerphone, move to a quieter space, or use the phone's earpiece to reduce echo. One key troubleshooting tip: if merging fails, restart the app and redial. The three-way bridge usually reconnects and resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.